What's going on, everyone? Oakland Underground back with a different kind of video for you guys today. As you guys can see, there's a bunch of snow where I'm at, and today I got the chance to ride a 2022 SkiDoo MXZ X 850 E-TEC. Now the point of this video is just to show you guys how quick these things accelerate, how fast this truly is. Now the only modification on this SkiDoo is a Race Can Barker by MBRP. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys like this video and enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.